Forget those messy desk setups. This GeeekPi 10-inch 2U rack mount for the Raspberry Pi 5 is about to change how you think about single-board computer infrastructure. It promises to turn your Pi 5 into a proper server component, and honestly, it looks like it delivers. The build quality feels solid, designed to slot neatly into a standard 10-inch server rack, which is a huge plus for anyone trying to keep things tidy and professional. What really sets this apart is the inclusion of 4 PCIe to M2 NVMe SSD adapters. This is a game changer for the Raspberry Pi 5, finally unlocking its potential for serious storage speed. It supports all the common M2 sizes, from 2230 all the way up to 2280, meaning you can use a wide range of fast NVMe drives. The PCIe interface means you're not bottlenecked by USB speeds, which is crucial for any demanding application. It's a shame this NVMe functionality is exclusive to the Pi 5, but that's understandable given the hardware requirements. GeeekPi has also thought about usability. Most of the ports and cards are easily accessible, which is a common pain point with rack-mounted solutions. They've even included a rear I2C interface via pogo pins for connecting external peripherals, and a GPIO 4-pin for controlling a programmable LED. That red LED isn't just for show. It can be programmed through software to indicate device status, which is a neat touch for monitoring. It's all compatible with the Raspberry Pi operating system, so you won't have any software headaches. While it's a bit of a niche product, for those looking to build a compact, high-performance server or NAS using Raspberry Pi 5, this GeeekPi rack mount is an incredibly compelling option. It brings professional-grade storage and organization to the Pi 5 ecosystem. It's a well-thought-out piece of hardware that genuinely elevates the Raspberry Pi 5's capabilities for serious projects.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.